Hello everyone, this is Anu again. I'm back on Varun's channel. आज हमें मूड कर रहा है मोमोज खाने का. Tonight being Momo's night, I am going to be making 3 different types of momos. And I have got this recipe from our dear friend Meena. She has, I have known her for like over a dozen years, and she's been making these momos for us for all these years. I have learned many different type of folds, which I'm going to try and teach you. And let's get started with these delicious momos. So the 3 different varieties that I'm making for you today are 2 in vegetarian. One is with soya mince, one is with cabbage, and the other is chicken. We are using raw chicken. All of these are raw ingredients. Nothing is pre-cooked. They will get steamed and the cooking will be sufficient in there. So let's start with the filling of our vegetarian momos. I am going to be putting about 2 onions finely chopped in each of these. Another key ingredient is ginger. Quite a bit of ginger also goes in there. So I'm going to be putting 1 heaped teaspoon of ginger in each of these. I don't put garlic in the momos, but you're welcome to if you want. And green chilies again is something that you can put more or less depending on how spicy you want it. I'm putting equal to 1 green chili in each of them. In the end, we are going to put salt. I don't put it in the beginning because the salt will make all of these vegetables and chicken lose a lot of water. And then lastly, we're going to add our coriander. And इसको बस अब हमने mix कर लेना है. Mix करके we will leave it for just a couple minutes, not very long. Now that we have all our mixtures ready, we are going to start with the dough. इसका आटा already हमने गूंद लिया है. ये मैदे का है and आप देखो इसका texture काफी elastic है. It was done about half an hour ago. तो इसका जो elasticity है, that's quite a bit. It is not tearing as you can see, yeah. So we're going to roll these out and make them into small balls. The ball size is really tiny. जितना छोटा लेंगे उतना पतला आपका wrapper बनेगा. And we have to make it thin on the outside and it can stay a little thick on the inside. बाहर पतला इसलिए कर रहे हैं जिससे कि जब हम उसको फोल्ड करेंगे तो even बैठेगा. It won't be too thick and at the same time it won't tear. Yeah, please ensure the wrapper is nice and thin. Can you see how thin it is? Yeah, and now we're going to start doing the folding. Okay, so ये हमने रोल कर लिए हैं nice and round. अब इसमें फिलिंग करना शुरू करते हैं. This is again vegetarian. और इसका हमने बस 1 चम्मच लिया है and I'm folding it very gently and put a fold over here and then put another fold over here. That's it. You see there are 2 folds that have come. 2 at the most 3 folds. Exactly like these. Here is our cabbage filling. Again 1 spoon of this. And this is a very simple one, making a circle. Pushing the filling inside while I'm turning the wrapper and pushing it in so that it will become a little tight and should not open up while steaming. right? And let's make the one with chicken. Again, 1 spoon of it. This I'm putting a little long because the design that we want to make is long. And here we will start with the bottom. And I'm pinching it in while pushing the keema inside. There you go. So now that we have all our momos ready to go into our steamer, I'm only going to put a little bit of oil. ये थोड़ा सा तेल डाल रहे हैं बॉटम में और हाथ से उसको हिला रहे हैं जिससे कि ये नॉन स्टिक बन जाए और फिर एक एक करके जेंटली उसको उठा के हम स्टीमर में डाल देंगे एक दूसरे से थोड़ा सा दूर, जिससे कि वो जब एक्सपैंड होएगा तो वो टच नहीं होएगा और फटना नहीं चाहिए. एंड नाउ वी जस्ट गोइंग टू पुट देम, स्टैक देम वन ऑन टॉप ऑफ द अदर. एक के ऊपर एक डाल के ढक दिया और अब हम स्टीमर में उसको रखेंगे. I'm putting a little bit of water in the base of the steamer. We just need to have it so that when we put our momos on the stand, it should steam for at least 10 to 15 minutes. In the absence of a momo steamer, here's another way of making momos. You can take a pan or a deep vessel, put some water in it, about 1 liter maybe, and put the idlis stand. You can use the idli stand for making small momos, or you can use a plate or a thali which has holes in it. This also will be a very useful way, and this won't take very long. Once you put a lid on it, you can make it in less than 10 minutes because the quantity of momos in this would be a lot less than in a regular momo steamer. So if you're making it for a smaller number of people, this works even better. So let's see. I think our momos should be ready. Yeah, it's looking good. It has steamed for 12 minutes now. And look at the rest of them. Okay, let's put the gas off and remove them from our plates. There you see, our momos are ready. And look at how pretty this looks. They're nice and hot, very, very steaming. And this is the best part. We have this really delicious momo sauce that is made with red chilies, tomatoes, and garlic. If you want the recipe of that, do let us know and we'll be happy to give you another video on that. And let's do the taste test. Look at that. See, in 10 minutes flat, it cooks so beautifully. So juicy. Love these momos. Varun and I love to sit and eat only momos for one of our meals. It is so amazing. You have to try it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much.